Hello kids, how are you all doing? I hope you all are fine. Hope you enjoyed the first video of fractions. Let's have a quick recap. What did we see? What are fractions? When a shape is divided into equal parts, that means a part of the whole is a fraction. What is this? This is a kiwi. This kiwi is divided into two equal parts. When one whole is divided into two equal parts, each part is known as a half. Now, what do you see? There are three rectangles. Now, 1, 2, 3 rectangles. How many are colored? This rectangle is purple in color. 1 out of the 3 is 1/3. Now, how many lemons? One whole lemon is cut into two parts. This part is half of a lemon, and that half is again divided into two parts. So this is a 1/4 of the lemon. This was half of a lemon. What do you see? These are how many triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of those, one triangle is shaded. So this one triangle is 1/5 of the 5 triangles. We learnt this. Let's do some worksheets on this. So we have to color 1/2. 1/2 means out of two parts, we have to color one part. So take any one part, color it. So we have colored one part. Two parts, let's color one part. So this is a half. Two triangles, we color one triangle of it, that is a half. This is a parallelogram divided into two, this is a half. A circle divided into two, you will shade it neatly without going out of the boundary. This is a kite. How many parts should I color to get a half? One part. This is a geometric shape. It looks something like a square from which the edges are cut. What is this? Your English alphabet H. And these are the equal halves. Next part, color 1/3 of each figure. 1/3 means the figure will be divided into three equal parts. You have to color one part of it. So this circle is divided into three. We color one part out of it. This rectangle is divided into three rectangles. Color one part of it. This is a floral design divided into three petals. Color one petal. Three triangles. Color one triangle. One parallelogram divided into three parallelograms. Color one. One triangle divided into three triangles. Color one. This is an L shape. Color one rectangle of it. This is a triangle. Color one triangle. I would prefer to color the center one. So we shaded 1/3. Now color 1/4. 1/4 means each shape is divided into four equal parts. We have to color one part. This diamond is colored one part. Circle is divided into four parts. Color one part. The cross is divided into one part. Four parts. I'm coloring one. L shape divided into four parts. I'm coloring one. Again, this is divided into four small rectangles. This is a geometric design divided into four equal parts. This is a square which has round edges. One part. This is again a beautiful design, and from the dotted line, color one part. Now, we have to shade this 2 out of 5. 2 out of 5 means let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll only look at the columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 out of 5 means we color this whole column and this whole column. This is 2 out of 5. Now how many petals do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of this, you have to color 3. So I am coloring 1, 2, 3. So this is the fraction that we have colored. How many parts do you see? We see 2 parts. How many are colored yellow? One part. Now, how do you write it? The total parts, we write it on the bottom. The shaded part, you write it on the top. And this is 2 parts, 1 part. What do you say? We call it a half. Now, how many parts do we see? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, total how many parts are there? 4. How many are yellow in color? Let's count yellow. 1, 2, 3. 3 of them are yellow in color. So, how many are yellow colored? 3. What is the fraction? Yellow colored will go on the top and the bottom will be total number of parts. This is fraction in words. 3 is on the top. You write 3. We saw when we had to write 1 part out of 4, it was written as 1/4. So, this is 1/4. How many circles do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 circles. Out of them, how many are yellow? 1. How do I write it? I write it as 1/4. Sorry, 1/5. What is the fraction? It is 1/5. So, over here we saw the fraction was 3 and 4. What was the number on the top? 3. The number on the top is known as the numerator. So, what is the numerator over here? 3. And what is the number on the bottom? The number on the bottom is 4. What is the denominator? This number at the bottom is known as the denominator. So, the denominator is 4. In this diagram, what was the fraction? The fraction was 1/5. The number on the top was 5. That is the numerator. The number on the bottom was 5. It is called as the denominator. So, a fraction has 2 parts. The whole part is written on the bottom. The whole part is divided into how many parts? That is written on the bottom. That is known as the denominator. The shaded part is written on the top. That is known as the numerator. So, if you see, each of the shape is divided into 2 equal parts. This is a half. A half is written as the shaded part is on the top 1 divided by total 2 parts. This is 1/2. What is this? Pizza. A pizza is divided into 4 parts. 1 part is eaten away. How many parts are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 parts out of 4 parts. 3 is the numerator, the number on the top. 4 is the denominator, the number on the bottom. So, we saw how to show a fraction in terms of parts. This is 2/5. 2 are shaded yellow and total there are 5 parts. How do we write it? It is 2 divided by 5. This is 2. Now, how do we write the fraction in words? The fraction is written in words as we see the denominator. If the denominator is 3, we write it as third. 4 means F-O-U-R 4 followed by a TH, fourth. If the denominator is 5, F-I-F, TH, fifth. Denominator is 6, sixth. Denominator is 7, seventh. Denominator is 8, eighth. Denominator is 9, ninth. Denominator is 10, tenth. This is how we will write the fraction. If it is 2 parts out of 3, we write 2/3. 1 part out of 4, 1/4. 3 parts out of 5, it will be 3/5. 1 part out of 6, 1/6. The number on the top will be written as you talk about the number. Now, let's write the number for the fraction which is shaded. Total how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 goes on the denominator. How many are shaded? 2. How many apples? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of 8, how many are shaded? 4. Now, what do you see? Yes, colorful socks. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So, 14 on the denominator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, the fraction is 8/14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many B's? 7 B's. Out of them, how many are colored? 5 are colored. So, it is 5/7. So, we have to identify the fraction. The first one is done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 part is shaded. So, it is 1/6, 1/6. How many suns are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 and shaded is 1. How do you write it as words? 1 8. E-I-G-T-H. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and these are 5 parts. Out of these, anything shaded? Nothing is shaded. Everything is going to be, this will be one whole. 1, 2, 3 parts. 3 parts. Out of them, how many shaded? 1 shaded. So this is written as 1/3. How many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 goes on the denominator. How many shaded? 1. It is written as 1/5. E-I-G-T-H. That spelling was incorrect. E-I-H-T-H. Sorry. How many butterflies? 2 butterflies. How many are shaded? 1. So this is a 1/2, or you just write it as a half. A half is nothing but 1/2. Let's identify the fraction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 is shaded, so it's 1/5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 out of 7. So it's 1/7. S-E-V-E-N-T-H. 3 pigs. 1 out of the 3 pigs is shaded. So it's 1/3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 1 is shaded. So 1/8. 2. That's half. You can write the spelling. Now you have to write the fraction whose numerator is 3, denominator is 4. Numerator will go on the top, denominator will go on the bottom. So what will be the fraction? This will be 3/4. Numerator is 1, denominator is 5. The fraction is 1/5. Numerator 2 goes on the top, the denominator 7 goes on the bottom, 2/7. Write each of the following fractions in words. This is 3/4. This is 6/8. This is 4/7. This is 5/10. You have to shade the fractions which are given here. 5/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we'll shade 5 parts out of them. 5 parts are done. 1/4 shade 1 part. 3 9s, 1, 2, 3 parts shaded. 2/3, 1, 2 parts shaded. 7/10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parts shaded. 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 parts are shaded. 2 8s, this part and this part is shaded. 4 9s, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can shade anywhere. Just 4 parts are to be shaded. Write down the shaded parts total. How many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 on the denominator. 1, 2 are shaded. So it is 2/4. How many parts are there total? 2. How many are shaded? 1. Total how many parts count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 goes on the denominator. 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are shaded. So 3/8. How many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parts. 1, 2, 3 parts are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 parts. And how many are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parts are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3 parts are shaded. In this video, we saw how to name a fraction, what is a numerator, what is a denominator, how should shade the fractions. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. Do visit our Facebook pages Math and Science Playway, Easy Way English, Playway Hindi. Thank you. Bye.